we will discuss about regular expression. Now, the regular expression is nothing but the language accepted by finite automata. It is described by using regular expression. For example, these are the basic examples of the regular expression. If you want to describe the regular expression for this language, how we construct the regular expression of this language? The first question is describe the language consisting of a string over sigma is equal to 0, 1. The sigma is nothing but the input alphabet with at least 2 consecutive 0 using regular expression. Now, the language given with at least 2 consecutive 0. Suppose say with at least 2 consecutive 0 means the language consisting of 2 0. Now, if I describe this language is sigma is equal to 0, 1, sigma is equal to 0, 1, then the set of all string over sigma is sigma star is nothing but here first is a epsilon, then 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 up to any number of 0 and 1. Now, this is the language over sigma is equal to 0, 1. Suppose say if you want to describe this language by using regular expression, the language consisting of all string with at least 2 consecutive 0. Now, the 2 consecutive 0 in this language. Now, the string starting with any number of 0 or 1 and string ending with any number of 0 or 1. If we add here 0 or 1 means 0 plus 1 and string ending with any number of 0, that is say we add here 0 plus 1 because the string is starting 0 or 1 and any number of 0 or 1 means here is nothing but the star, same as here is a star, but the string consisting of at least 2 consecutive zeros. Okay, this is the regular expression for this language. The string consisting of with at least 2 consecutive 0. Here, the language is nothing but say, if you start with the 0 symbol, then 0, then after that this is 0, 0, and suppose say string ending with 1, then here is the 1. Or the language is, see, we start with the 1, 0, 0 and ending with 0. Or suppose say the star means epsilon, then 0, 0 and this ending star is also epsilon, then the string with at least 2 consecutive 0. Now the second expression is sigma is equal to 0, 1, 2. The language is any number of 0 followed by any number of 1s followed by any number of 2s. The string containing the word any number means it's nothing but star because the star consists of epsilon or any number of 0 or 1. We write the regular expression for this language. The regular expression for this language is any number of 0 means 0 star. Then after that any number of 1s means 1 star and followed by any number of 2s means 2 star. The regular expression for this language followed by means series path. Regular expression is 0 star dot 1 star dot 2 star. This is the regular expression for this language. The next one is sigma is equal to 0, 1, 2. At least 1 0 followed by at least 1 1 followed by at least 1 2. If the word at least is used means we use the positive closure here because if I use here 0 plus is 0 0 0 0 then 0 0 0 up to n number of 0. This positive means does not contain the epsilon. Now at least 1 means it is nothing but the positive closure. Now the regular expression for this language is at least one zero means 0 plus followed by means a series of 1 plus followed by at least 2 means 2 plus. Or we can also write this regular expression, see 0 0 star dot 1 1 star dot 2 2 star. Suppose say the star is epsilon, 1 star is epsilon and 2 star is epsilon. Means 0 dot 1 dot 2. That is say at least 0 1 present, at least 0 present, at least 1 present and at least 2 present here. Now the fourth question is sigma is equal to a comma b with all strings starting and ending with a and any number of b's in between. The word we are using here, all strings starting and ending with a and any number of b. That is nothing but any number of b is b star. Any number of b is b star. The string starting and ending with a means the regular expression for this language is starting and ending with a and any number of b's in between. That is say a dot b star dot a. This is the regular expression for this language. Thank you.